Hi, this is a detailed tutorial on how to find the best swing trading setups using our scanner tool, Scany. Out of a universe of over 5,000 stocks, Scany allows you to filter them with a huge number of parameters to find the setups that work the best for you. Our filters range from filtering on price, volume, sectors, and profitability statistics to sophisticated techniques like volatility squeezes, cup and handle patterns, and support resistance levels. Although there are hundreds of swing trading strategies, we are trying our best to only add those that work the best. Let us dive right into the scanner and try to find good setups. For the purpose of this video, we will mainly focus on swing trading setups. First of all, let us filter by price and volume. We will keep the minimum price to $10 and the minimum volume to 1 million. This is done in order to remove low floats and penny stocks that have high volatility and are slightly riskier. If we go to the bottom of the page, we can see that we are only left with about 1,000 stocks out of 5,697. We have already narrowed our search. Let us keep going. The first scanner we will use is the famous golden cross that happens when the 20 moving average crosses above or below the 50 moving average. Most people consider 250 moving average crossovers, but for short-term swing trading, we have modified it to use 20 and 50 MAs. When the 20 MA crosses above the 50 MA, that is a bullish signal. The opposite is true when 20 MA crosses below the 50 MA. There are only a handful of symbols at the time of this video where the 20 moving average crossed the 50 moving average in the last few trading days. Let us take a look at Pfizer stock that came out of this scanner. You can either simply click on the link icon right next to the stock or use your own charting softwares to analyze the charts. We will do both. First, let us take a look at the daily price action. We can see that Pfizer has dipped quite a bit in the last few days. Let us verify whether this is a golden cross or not. We will switch to Thinkorswim for a moment. We can see that just 2 days ago, the 20 MA went below the 50 MA. As you can see in the past, when that happens, it is a good shorting opportunity as the price usually continues going down. However, please keep in mind that sometimes, the price goes to the opposite direction immediately. In that case, you should exit your position immediately. The MACD divergence and RSI divergence are reversal signals that we will not discuss here. Please hover over the question mark icon to know more about these. Similarly, the next 4 alerts are also not useful for swing trading and we will skip them. Let us move to the value zone, which is a great filter when used with a conjunction of other filters. Value zone is an area between the 50 MA and the 20 MA. When price is in a strong uptrend, this is the zone where you should either buy or add onto your positions. Similarly, when price is in a strong downtrend, this becomes an area where you can further short shares of the stock. Please keep in mind that this filter is only useful when price is in either a strong up or downtrend. Stocks that are in a range should not be used with this filter. Value zone prevents us from buying or shorting stocks when they are overextended. You should try to always trade in the value zone. Let us see a few examples. We will start with AA. As you can see, the price is not in a strong uptrend and is rather in a range. Therefore, we will skip this stock. Let us check BBBY next, as that is a well-known stock. As you can see, BBBY is in a good uptrend and the price dipped in the last few days and came between the 20 and 50 moving averages. Let us switch to Thinkorswim and verify this. You can see that price is indeed between the 20 and 50 MA. This is a good place to buy the stock. The next set of filters are the support and resistance levels. These are important to know for any trader and are one of the highest fidelity signals you can use. Support and resistance are key levels from where the price either bounces down or up. An important rule in trading is to always buy at the support and sell at the resistance. These levels provide great swing trading opportunities to traders. Let us select this filter and see a few alerts. We will only look at support for AAP and ACWI. Once you understand support, resistance is just the opposite. As we can see in AAP, the price is right in a location from where it bounces up and down. Since it has come down and there is the support level, we do not expect it to go back up. We can see similar thing with ACWI where the price is at a support level. Support and resistance are also important because they provide you strict stop losses. If you buy at a support and the price continues going down, you can immediately sell when the price goes below the support level. If you want to read more about SR levels, we will link a few articles in the description. Next up are our premium filters that are only available to premium members. These are sophisticated filters that we have manually implemented and are seldom found in charting softwares. We have also added our own slight modifications in these filters to make them more robust and effective. The first is the Synthetic VIX, which is an indicator proposed by Larry Williams that tries to mimic the VIX for individual stocks. This is an extremely useful filter for finding good buy signals. Whenever it alerts for a stock, that stock is usually a good swing opportunity. We will take a look at AB and ABB. As you can see, AB is almost right at the support level right now, which was automatically determined by the indicator. Synthetic VIX doesn't simply identify stocks that are at support levels. It also makes sure that those are good buying opportunities and the probability of the stock going below the support is low and going up is high. We can see similar thing with ABB, where the stock has dipped a bit and is now on a support level, which is a good buy point. The next filter is about all our AI tools agreeing with each other. Some of our AI tools use different input data to make predictions, which can sometimes cause them to make contradictory predictions. In order to address that, we built this filter that only shows you the stocks where our AI predictions are the same. This provides more confidence if you want to swing trade a stock. Let us take a look at CAR, which is bullish on 2 of our AI tools and the others do not have an opinion about it. Since it does not have any opposite opinions from our AI tooling, we are more confident that it will go up in the next days. Next up is the cup and handle pattern, that is a famous pattern for bullish continuation of stocks. When this pattern forms, you can get in on a stock and expect it to continue going up. Here is a visual of this pattern. As evident from the name, a cup forms first before a handle is formed. When the pattern is complete, most of the time, the price continues going up. As you can see, this pattern rarely forms, and when it does, it is a highly effective pattern. Let us take a look at ADI. We can see that there is a cup pattern which is followed by a handle pattern in the last few days. We would now expect ADI to continue going up since it has completed the cup and handle pattern. The final filter, Volatility Squeeze, is not used for swing trading. It is mostly used to find breakout stocks that can give you huge gains. Please visit our website to learn more about these filters. That is it, folks. We have shown you a couple of filters and how to use them to find good swing trading opportunities. There are plenty of more variables like market cap, sectors, PE ratios, etc. that you can use to filter stocks of your choice. We hope that you will be using our scanner to find excellent swing trading opportunities and improve your trading. One final thing. With all the patterns we have talked about today, please remember that they can always turn out wrong since there is no certainty in trading. Please always take care and use your stop losses. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit Tradytics.com to see our entire artificial intelligence-driven toolkit. Cheers.